Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. So I am back at it again, out here in the northwest Las Vegas Valley in the master plan community called Skye Canyon. Pinewood is the name of this neighborhood. This is a gated community. You have about 60 homes, 60 or 70, I don't remember. But this model that we're going to be touring today is the Toronto model. The base price, the starting price is $431,880. This property features a few things here. Give me just a second as I shut this door. I'm going to walk straight back here. So, it is 2,609 square feet, 3 bedrooms. Now, you do have an option to do, I believe, 5 bedrooms on here. As I walk through the model, I'm going to explain everything as best as I can. But I just want to get you guys kind of a quick layout here real quick. You have 2.5 to 3.5 baths, 3-car garage. Now, a couple things. We're going to start back here at the beginning. You do have a 9-foot ceilings here. As you enter, you see the crown with the tray ceiling. That's going to be a upgrade on that. Now, this den right here with the French doors, you can do a couple configurations. You can make this straight out this way, going straight this way. Then you have a door here. Then this gets pushed back, and you can have a bathroom tub shower combo. Okay, let me know what configurations would you do. Leave it like this, or full bedroom tub shower combo, or leave this as a den. So let's go inside. Let's take a look real quick. Give you a quick measurement. Now this one's a little bit tight. So the den here is going to be, it says 12 by 12, but maybe it's just the furniture. I don't know. Sometimes the furniture makes the home look, or makes the room look a lot smaller than it really is. Okay, you do have carpet here. It transitions into the wood-like tile. I do love that feature wall here. One thing I would have done was add some lights to shine on this piece of artwork here, which is, I think, would be cool. Now again, we talked about this. You could do a full bath. This would get pushed all the way out to here, but right now it is utilized as a half bath. So we have a 2-panel door, got brushed nickel, okay, orange peel texture. You have a bullnose 1/2 inch on the round here. Looks like you have your standard 3-inch on the baseboards here, okay. Now off to the left, you have the built-in valet, which is a upgrade. Now this right here, you have an option for a 3-car garage. Then the tandem takes it all the way back here, okay. So, a couple things now. If you did the tandem, this stuff will get pushed back, and what would happen is the back of here, right? Let me show you. Is acting as a 3rd-car tandem garage, which that's the way it's set right now, okay? Now, one of the configurations that you can do, I'm going to come back here, is this wall, right? It's blown out all the way across. Now it's a 2-car garage. Now that from this wall all the way to this wall here, back here, becomes a bedroom and also a suite. You see how that works? I don't know if you guys can picture that or not. Okay. Let's take a look at these kitchen cabinets here. This looks like all the standard kitchen cabinets. These are just your regular shakers. They're not like great at all. I mean, see that? They're just standard. But they put the knobs here, so you got the quartz, you got your 36-inch cook countertops, herringbone, you got your 3x6 on the backsplash, which is kind of cool. You have your 42 upper cabinets with a 1-inch crown. HOAs are $140 a month here. So it looks like you got your gourmet packaged kitchen appliances. If not, you can get your slide-in stove. Here's your pantry right here. Pretty decent size. You also can do the built-in refrigerator. Refrigerator's not included. Mary sink you got. Under-mounted. Moen faucet. Now, I had an argument with one builder once, and it was crazy. I'm not going to tell you who it is, what builder. And my client said, can you do a push button? I'm like, yeah, you can do a push button. The design studio lady was like, no, you can't do a push button. I'm like, dude, I saw a lot of homes with you. Did you guys change it up? Come to find out you can do it. Just, she made a mistake. Now, people make mistakes all the time. I make mistakes. You know what I'm saying? Nobody's perfect. around here. Now I love this little sitting area here. But remember, when this is gone, you're going to have that that bathroom. Let's take a look at this. So you got your kitchen here. I'm not your kitchen, you big dummy. Like, we were just in the kitchen. So we have our formal dining area. You do have your 6-foot slide. That's going to be upgraded an option. Now, I believe on this model, you can push the garage more up that way to get more room. And also you can push this house back too to get some more room as well. Which I don't know if it's really worth it or not. Just to get like 2 more feet. Got your covered patio, your pavers, the extensions. This is all an upgrade, folks. Now this lot size right here is probably going to be about 6,500 square feet on a lot size. You got the synthetic grass. We talked about this with the synthetic grass. You better make sure whoever's doing this is impacting the dirt and making sure that this thing is leveled and draining properly. Look at that extension with that covered patio right there. Isn't that gorgeous? So it looks like they did the floodlights. You could do the pre-wire for the floodlights as well. Now, when I do the floodlights pre-wire, I like to have a connection where I can actually turn it on and off versus just hardwiring it in. Then you have your sensors that kicks on and off. Sometimes you want to turn it on or off. But here's the thing. If you have a button inside your garage or at the panel box or at the kitchen where you can turn it on and off so that way the sensors can kick on and off, then what I would do at that point is change out that rocker switch into a Wi-Fi switch where you can connect it to an app to your phone. So that way when you leave, out of town, you can turn it on or off. That's what I like. Now I got a call coming in here. I'm going to duck that call for just a second. It's probably, what do you call? My stepdaughter, she's getting an oil change. And she lives on her own right now, so I'm trying to have her be responsible, take care of her things, because especially, when you're like young, kids nowadays, they don't take care of their things. And then I've always explained to her, take care of your car, because look, that's your transportation. You ain't got a car, you're dead out of the water. But what I've been doing is every time she goes in for an oil change, I have my guy Benny, give a quick shout out to Benny. Basically, he gives me a call to let me know what needs to be done, but I don't tell her. It's just kind of like our thing, and just, hey, you know what, just get it fixed, and I'll get it taken care of. But let me see if, you know what, guys? Let me see who this is, because they keep calling. Oh, this is from Portland. Wow, this is weird. Okay, so this is from somebody from Portland. This is just probably a somebody that's looking to buy. Yeah, you're probably watching this video, so if you're from Portland, unfortunately, I can't answer the phone right now because I'm doing a video tour. Oh, take a look at these lights. I didn't even notice this. Look at this. Wow. Look at it. You would have to pre-wire for this. Now, so here's the thing. This is something that has to be thought out during the design studio. You already have to know if you're going to put these type of light fixtures, how far to spread them apart. Look at this. That's crazy. All right, let's go upstairs. All this railing right here is an upgrade. Takes us right up to this little loft area. Ooh, love the balcony. We'll finish off that later. Take a look at that. 2-panel door. 6'8" on the first floor here. I mean the second floor. So we got, alright, we got the laundry room. Definitely can pre-wire for, I'm not pre-wire, you big dummy. You can, lost my train of thought, let me know. Burnt out. What is that called? What is that called when you run the water? Oh, I don't know, I'm losing my train of thought already, guys. Hold on. Hey, what's up, darling? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. I mean, here's the thing. If if we were, okay, go ahead. Okay, and what time is the walkthrough? I mean, what day? Okay, well that's fine then. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's fine because yes. No, you just let them know. All right, bye. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I had to handle some business real quick. Okay, so this one right here is only so low. Oh my gosh, look how low this cabinet is. Oh my god. Look at that. What's that? 30 inch cabinet, 32-inch cabinet. You gotta hit this 36. Oh my gosh. All right. I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. I'm just walking around, just looking. I hate when they put the attic access up there. Here's the thing. Reason why they put the attic access up there, probably because that's the only place they could really put the furnace. And typically on the attic access, you have like a subfloor, so that way you can have the AC guy sit down. Ooh, I love this. Look at this. Sit down and work on the air conditioning unit or the furnace. Wow, I love this little retreat area. Look at that. And upgrade slider. Ooh, I love this master retreat though. I like that feature wall too as well. Alright, let's go in the bathroom here. So you got your high, nice 36-inch cabinets. Get your shower. And this one I believe you could do the tub shower, but I think I like that spa-like. Okay, not bad. Water closet. Let's see here. I do apologize, guys. This video is not that great. I try my best. I try my best. What's funny is you're gonna like me or you're gonna hate me. It's one or the other. All right, let's go out to the balcony here. Okay. Here we go. Give me a second here. I'm trying to go to the balcony. Oops. Here we go. Oops. Oh, I'm moving the camera all over the place, man. I'm so sorry about that, guys. Beautiful day today. Take off my mask for a second. I just want you guys to see the background here. But anyway, I just wanted to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. If you guys have not had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up too as well. I'm trying to get at least 500 likes per video. And I noticed on the algorithm on YouTube or the analytics, I noticed a lot of you guys pretty much watch this on your TV. So whenever you have some free time, go on your cell phone, hit that like button. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.